Good morning, students. Myself Vinti Rai. This is your science class and chapter 1, Our Body System. Human body works like a machine. Every part of our body has some specific function to perform. Dear students, you already have seen machine. How machine works, similarly our body also works. Every part of our body has some specific function to perform, and the human body is made up of different systems, and each system is important and has special role. Students, in our bodies many systems are given, and each system has their special role, and all of the systems in the body work together. Each system has its own job to do, but they depend on each other for proper functioning. Mean to say, each system has their special role and special work, but still they depend on each other. Separately they can't do any work. They depend on each other for proper functioning. Now let's see, human body is made up of different systems. Here one table is given in front of you: systems, organs and functions. Some all the important system of our body are given here, and their organs and their function also given. Let's see first system. This is digestive. That digestive system and which organs are used in digestive systems are given. See, tongue, teeth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas and intestine. These are the main organs of digestive system. Now come on its function. What its function? It breaks the food we eat into smaller part so that the body can use them to build and nourish cells and provide energy. In simple words, you understand, digestive systems are used when we have any food, then it convert into energy, and this energy give us stamina so that we do all the works. So this whole the process to convert food into energy done by in digestive system. Now second is nervous system. The main organs of nervous system is spinal cord, brain and nerves. Nerves send impulses through the body. It controls the body activities and reaction to stimuli. In a simple word, you understand, this nerve sends our reactions and our emotions, our masses to brain. Okay? Mean to say, this nervous system manage our emotions, our reaction, everything, whatever we sudden apply, whatever we sudden so these all reactions are managed by nervous system. Okay. Now third is circulatory system. The main organ of circulatory system is heart and blood vessels. Okay. Arteries and veins and capillaries are given here in below in bracket, but these are the part of blood vessels. Okay. Now the function of circulatory system is pumps and carries blood to other part of the body. Pumps means ब्लड्स को लेना, खींचना और carry blood to other part of our body and circulate the blood to our body for every part of our body. Third is respiratory system. This respiratory systems and the function organs of respiratory system is lungs, nasal passages, bronchi, pharynx, trachea, diaphragm and bronchial tubes. These are organs of respiratory system. Now what is the functions? The function is intake of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide from the body. Okay, means we all know, and you also know, students, we take oxygen from our environment and we remove carbon dioxide from our body. but with this process, with in which system, in which system we did it, we do this by the our respiratory system. Now fifth is skeleton system. The main organ of skeletal system is bone. Only one main organs, okay. And function of skeletal system is supports body to stand up. It also gives us protection to our body organs and allow body movement. Means it, first of all, the main role of skeletal system is it support to stand up, it protect me, it protect our internal organs, and also allow me to move, we to move here and there. We easily move here and there, but the main afford given by our bones, mean to say, in skeletal system, so that we can easily move here and there. So student, this was the functions, this was the introduction table, you understand about systems, about all the systems of our body with their organs and functions. But now we study each one in a large way, okay. Then we see in the next video. Let's see. Hello students, myself Vinti Rai. Okay, in previous class we already studied about digestive system in short. Other important system also we studied of our body, but here now one by one I'll teach you in details. Here digestive system is given. See how our digestive system works. Food provides us fuel to stay alive. Food give us the energy to work, play and do and all other activities. Okay, we know students, we already know food give us energy to play and to for all other activities. Okay, then food we eat needs to be broken down by our body to transform it into energy. This is done by our digestive system. See, one more picture is given here. First of all, see the digestive system's picture is given, and the important organs which are used in this digestive system also mentioned, and their diagram also given. One human body, and inside the human body the important organs pictures are given. Got it? Now see the other picture. Here one girl is eating chocolate. Then what happened after eating we discussed here. Okay, means what happened with that chocolate bite after eating we discuss here, we studied here. See, yes, we was talking you food convert into energy, but how food convert into energy, what happened inside our body. See, first of all, when have any food, then it broken down by our body organs and then transform into energy. Okay, this is done, this whole process is done in digestive system. The digestion begins as soon as we take the first bite of food in our mouth. Here the tongue, saliva and teeth helps in the breaking up the food. Okay, digestion started, the first step of digestion is started when we have any food in our mouth, then digestive system start working. Okay, see, the first organs of digestive system is mouth. When we have food in our mouth, then there also three organs start working. First is teeth. Teeth breaking up the food materials into fine particles, and then tongues. Tongues helps in movement of food particles, and last is salivary gland which secretes saliva, and this saliva helps to make food soft and wet so that we can easily swallow. Okay, and one more work of saliva also given in your books and is very important, that saliva convert the starch of food into glucose. So this, and also mouth break food materials into small and fine particles, and this comes with the help of tongue, and salivary gland comes into the pipe-like structure, or that organ is called esophagus, and also in easy word you can say this is called food pipe. What is this? This is food pipe. The main terms is esophagus. So it also convert the starch in our then the food swallow down a tube called the esophagus. Traveling through this pipe like structure, the food reaches our stomach, where some enzymes act on the food to digest the protein and carbohydrate from the food, and the stomach changes the food into semi liquid forms. See, I taught you very fine particles of food comes from esophagus in the stomach, and here in stomach already enzymes are present, and this enzymes works to break down again the food particles and convert it into semi liquid forms, and also absorbed protein and carbohydrate from this food materials. Okay, now after this, then the grinded food moves to the small intestine. Here the pieces of food becomes very small and are absorbed into the blood. One more thing is missing here, but I am teaching you. Yes, liver. About the liver, no, liver is not mentioned here, but this is a very important part organs of digestive system. Liver and pancreas both are not mentioned here. See, liver. First of all, you should know, liver is a very bigger is the biggest gland of our body parts. Okay, and it secrete bile juice, and our pancreas is also a gland, and it secrete digestive juice. This both juice comes into intestine through the grinded food materials. Okay, so in small intestine, which is present here, in small intestine already shown by the arrow. See, this is the small intestine. In small intestine, this juice, which are secreted by the liver and pancreas, this juice absorbed the fat and nutrients from the grinded food materials, and absorbed. Okay, this food absorbed, and where it is absorbed into the blood. Okay, this juice helps only in absorption, but where it is absorbed into blood, and the blood carries these nutrients to all other part of our body. Now the left out food, which is not digested by our body, is passed to the large intestine, where water is absorbed. Now the rest part, which cannot be more breakable and which cannot be more digested by our organs, by our body, is come into the large intestine. Now see, where is large intestine? Already by the arrow it is shown, and it is the pipe like structure also, and it is present surrounding the small intestine. Here the rest part of food come in large intestine, and only in rest part water is useful. So in large intestine water is absorbed, and the waste part of food is excreted out by of our body through rectum. Rectum is also shown by the arrows. Through rectum, this waste part of food excreted from our body. So dear students, I hope you understood this digestive systems. So in next class we studied about the other organs, I mean to say other systems, like nervous system, circulatory systems. So thank you.